Ladies and gentlemen, we got him. Nah, that was lame. Got him! That's not gonna work. The fire reds. They say be yourself. What's good, everybody? I'm your boy DJ Spot, and I got the fire reds in my hand. Let's check it out. Welcome y'all to the channel. If you haven't already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, press the notification bell, and make sure you like this video up. So, starting off this video, as you can see, I watch a lot of Tony D2Y, I watch Bullet RC, I watch Untie Hawaii, I watch a lot of different sneaker YouTubers, and honestly, I should have heed the warning when they said that these will crease real bad, and honestly, like I'm not a fan of the leather. Like it's that soft plushy leather. Like you're gonna see as we get into the video. Hey, man, today we're in the spot. I got them a little late, but we got them. We got the fire reds in hand, and honestly, I already took them out the box. I wore them. Mine didn't come like in the best condition. Like it came with a flaw. So I don't know if y'all pairs did that, but where the lace lock at, I don't know if you guys can see that. You got those little, marks right there. I don't know if you can see it, but it bothers me. But I know nobody's gonna be up to close to my shoe like that. But if I was selling it, it would be a problem. Um, Still have my icy soles, bro. I mean, of course they're not gonna yellow that fast, but yeah. So when I got these, man, as you can see in the back, bro, like these things were crispy, 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 crispy. But I literally took them out, tried them on, and when I tried them on, look what happened. Like the ankle creased automatically, like, and then like I took literally one step to like look, and then like right there on the toe box. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let it focus. But right there on the toe box, like they said, it's gonna be like vertical type, creasing. But I mean, I see it a little bit like right here and a little right here, but I'm still getting that the horizontal creasing. So like, I wonder if this is just one of those pairs that's gonna look like the Shadow Backboard 3.0s. You know what I'm saying? Like all wrinkled and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Honestly, bro, I think these are gonna age fine if you just take care of your shoes, bro. It's just that soft leather, man. Like you gotta remember, these are going to crease horribly, horribly. They didn't come with any other laces, but I have some laces in the back. I'm probably gonna put some red laces in one of them. Of course, they have that Nike Air on the back, no 23 on the side. I'm loving it, man. I'm loving it. Like as you can see right here, bro, they're beautiful. They're beautiful. I'm about to show y'all a clip of on feet right now. Honestly, like if unless you're like a real big fan of Jordan 5s in the first place, I I would save my money. I wouldn't buy them. I probably would buy the older version, just with that harder leather because I'm not a fan of the soft leather. I don't like creasing too fast. You know what I'm saying? But that's just me. Like if you love the shoe, go buy the shoe. Like don't sleep. This is actually closer to the OG model where like it's more like sleek. You know what I'm saying? Like, so here's a pair of fire reds that I was doing a custom on for somebody, and they wanted like a Shark Week custom, and they end up like not wanting them no more. So, but you see how that like curves up right there on the new pairs. It doesn't do that. Like, as you can see, you see how that toe box right here is bigger, and then right here is smaller. Now I got small hands, so don't like I'm holding up here. See. All right, you see that? So that's how you're gonna get that vertical creasing more than like that horizontal right here. You know what I'm saying? So that's the difference between them. Of course, this one has the Jordan on the back. This one has the Nike Air. Man, these was gonna be fire. But moving on. Once again, if you love Fire Reds, bro, if you love the whole OG model and pretty much you love the colorway and you love the shoe model, I would get them. Like in in hand, these are fire, bro. These, I mean, on feet, these are fire. Like you just, it's fire. All right. So if you want the shoe, make sure you go cop the shoe. Like just get your hands on it. Prices right now as we speak is pretty much going from like maybe 220. I see some people selling them for 200. I see 240, but these are rising in prices. They're going to rise because I mean it's the Fire Red Fives. Come on now. Now let's just get into some shots of the shoe. Once again, man, fire shoe, bro. I feel like I will be wearing these for a little while, then probably just put them up. So, man, if you love the shoe, go get the shoe. You feel me? Go get the shoe. And I can't say that enough. Like, go get it. Like, find somebody. Make sure you subscribe if you like this video. Make sure you like so I can get this video skyrocketing. Look, this is only the beginning. I don't know what I'm gonna call the fans, all that stuff will come way later. But I appreciate y'all being here and supporting me. Thank y'all. I'm out. Spot is up, the spot.